Let me draw your attention to a press release issued by Trudeau last September at the United Nations. Headline: Canada, UNHCR, and the Open Society Foundations seek to increase refugee resettlement through private sponsorship. Now, there's a lot in there that I'm not going to get into now. UNHCR stands for High Commission on Refugees, but I want to tell you what the Open Society Foundations are. That's George Soros's political wing. George Soros, the billionaire leftist extremist who funds everything from Black Lives Matter to outright street revolutions overseas. They boast on their own website that they've spent $13 billion on their politics, and that's just through this one arm. That doesn't include other tentacles like political donations. So let's look at this press release again, a Government of Canada press release about Muslim migrants. I'm going to focus on just one of the three main points. Quote, the new joint initiative has three primary objectives: provide a vehicle that mobilizes citizens in direct support of refugees and encourages a broader political debate that is supportive of refugee protection. And finally, this project will complement other initiatives under development elsewhere in the world, also aimed at mobilizing citizens and creating complementary pathways for admission of refugees, unquote. So Justin Trudeau and the Government of Canada have officially teamed up with George Soros, not only to bring Muslim migrants to the West, but to engage in a massive propaganda exercise and political exercise. Both Soros money and Canadian taxpayers' money will be used, not just for the Muslim migrants themselves, but for political organizing, mobilizing citizens in support of Muslim migration. George Soros is directing Canada's pro-Islam propaganda, pro-Islam politics. Do you doubt he's part of the new campaign to, quote, eliminate Islamophobia, to use the language of M103? Thanks for watching. Click here to never miss a Rebel update. Want even more of the Rebel? Well, click here to become a premium member.